Oh, hello there. It's the pregame. It's day one, and it's go time. And there's my disclaimer. Just keep in mind that day trading is really risky, especially if you're first starting out. Most people lose money. Welcome to EVA Trades. And most people lose money and then give up. Very few of us actually stick in there and try to make it work. I was stubborn. For 5 years I've been trying to make it work, and I'm finally on the verge. Good morning. I'm glad to have you with me today. And this is the simulator. It's day number 14. I believe that's what I had already said. So September 9th at 6:25 in the morning, I'm going to go ahead and I push play on the simulator. And interesting fact about today, I was noticing as I was pulling up some charts, and we can look at the gap scan here in a second. Well, we can look at it now. I have Mara right here on this screen, and this is usually my main screen, but I couldn't get the other charts to load, so I had to load everything up on the other screen today. So I'll be trading over there. DMS, Mogu, and then Pixie from yesterday. So those are the three that I have over here on my main screen today. And so what I was saying was, when I loaded these up, I noticed I had a bunch of lines already drawn, and I'm like, interesting. I actually traded this, and I went back and looked at the YouTube videos, and I noticed that it was my second ever live video that I ever made, and trading in the small account with real money. And I actually had a green day, and so I've traded this day before. Now, I don't remember it. I can't hardly remember anything I did yesterday, let alone 3 months ago. So the only reason I knew is because there were lines drawn. So anyways, I thought that was kind of cool. So let's see. So I was green that day. Let's see if I can be green today. So I'll mark out a support first off right here on Pixie. Now remember yesterday, Pixie was a money maker, although you wouldn't know it looking at it. See how it just sold off. But remember yesterday I got in with this halt going up and then sold as it opened higher. So let's see if we get any action like that today. So it's 6:26 right now. Gotta keep an eye on that time. So here's an interesting level that we're looking at, $33. So we're right down in that support zone. Let me see. We had a tightening range. Well, here we had a bull break, but no follow through. And then we consolidated a little bit more here, tightening up, and then another attempt here with a bull break. But that's as high as the bulls could go, and then failing and bear breaking, and now pulling back more. So looking bearish for the moment on Pixie. We can also take a look here at the 15-minute time frame. You see how this candle here broke out and now it's coming down like that? If this bear breaks the bottom of the last candle, that's bearish. I'd look for more consolidation at that point. A couple minutes left in this candle, looking like it might just bear break through. So we'll see though. We will see if we get a bounce off of this support level before it breaks, or if it just bounces and goes back up to the highs. Pretty good volume here for the bears. Okay, moving on to Mogu. Mogu with an equilibrium. Bulls want to break over 288. And when I say equilibrium, here's the high of the move. Here is the low of the pullback. It's a little choppy here. It already broke out actually. We had I'm not going to mark out an equilibrium here. It was a tightening range. It's just a little choppy. Probably looks better on maybe a 30-minute time frame, but you can see on the hourly here we had an inside bar that's broken bullish. Now we'll see whether or not we can hold up here and break through 288 and get up to $3. And then DMS, it's been consolidating for quite some time. We'll pull up that large time frame yet again. And been consolidating for several hours here. So we could be due for a bounce. Consolidation should end at some point. But right now, there wasn't a lot of support on the way up. So where that bounce might occur, it's anybody's guess. So we have 30 seconds till the market open. And Mara over here, not really interested in it. So going back over here. Okay, so we are getting that bounce here. We did break through and now bouncing. So bulls buying the dip. That candle will close in 10 seconds and then the market will open. Here we go. So loosen up the old shoulders, stretch out the neck, make sure I got everything typed in correctly. Looks good. I had a good meal. I'm feeling a little tired. But I always say you got to be a little bit tired in order to trade well. Okay, so my game plan here, I want to see some volume come in to Mogu. It is breaking. 30 seconds left before I can place a trade. I wonder... if we can hold up here on Mogu, I might be interested in that. I gotta widen my stop loss out though. I'm waiting for things to, there we go. So I'm in it twice. And I'm watching Pixie for a break through the high of day. And if Mogu wants to make that move higher, I'm all for it. I'll take Mogu, not less goo. A little aggressive there. I should have waited for the pullback on Pixie. But you know how it surged up and halted yesterday. You remember that. I might get stopped out here. I did add on that pullback. I'm going to sell Mogu. Ooh, I'm not liking the pullback on Pixie there. Ouch. That was a little rough, but we'll see if we can make up for it here on a bounce attempt. Mm-hmm. I'm exiting Mogu there. Took a loss on it. I took myself out of the trade. Oof. And now I'm getting back into Mogu because of where we're at there on that level. Boy, Pixie really got me good there, didn't it? Now it's halted, going down. So we really don't have a support on Mogu until down here. I'm in a trade over here on MARA. I bought it down here on this little pullback, or actually right here. So we topped out at the VWAP and we pulled back and I got in it. I am holding. So I think part of my problem this morning is I have been holding my trades. I was up on Pixie there for a little bit in this area. And I held it because I was looking for the breakthrough, and then it didn't give it to me and it stopped me out. So same story over here. I held this and it came back down and stopped me out. Same story here. I'm holding this and I've gotten stopped out several times here on Mogu. So the halt going down on Pixie was at 6:33. Wow, that's the same time as yesterday, only down instead of up. Yeah, I'm buying up against the VWAP there. Wow. Trying to buy the pullbacks. See if we break through the VWAP on DMS. One of these is going to go. And I'm going to be in it when it does. Okay, now it's breaking through. By that pullback there. Keeping an eye on the time. I might want to buy Pixie on a resumption. I'm going to sell a partial on DMS. Sell a little more on DMS. And a little more there. Getting stopped out over here on Mogu. I think I need to do less goo, not Mogu. Ha ha ha. Selling and selling. Small profits. Okay, so the time is 6:37, so we got another minute. Wow. You notice I kept getting stopped out and I give back all my profit on that. Because my stop's too tight. So 6:38. Looking for resumption here on Pixie. I'm looking for it to open lower and then see a bounce back up. I'm watching the price ladder. It opened higher, so that can be a good thing too. Okay, now I'm looking for some bounces in the market here. There we go. Getting those bounces going, at least on DMS for the moment. And there again on Pixie. Bouncing. I'm not taking profit yet. I'm still holding it. I'm just in a holding mood today, and it is biting me. I think if Pixie breaks, it's going to break hard and fast. Boy, DMS is really trying to kick my butt. Let's see if we can get a break on Mogu through the VWAP. If it breaks, I'm going to add. Has the potential. Watching it. Trying to break. Really focused on Mogu here. I like that inside bar bull break, but it is struggling a little now. I see DMS trying to break out over there. Mogu pulling back now. I'm going to go ahead and widen my stop loss out on DMS here, so I don't take any more of those heavy losses. Still watching Mogu. Buying DMS there one time. Everybody pulling back at the moment. 643. I'm gonna get back out of DMS. DMS is looking strong though. Continuing that move. Impressing. See if we break through the high. There it is. So I could sell Mogu. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of Mogu. Take the loss on it. Well, I'm really wanting Pixie to take off and go here, but boy, it's just testing me. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna exit everything here. I think I want to be done there and there. And on Pixie and Mogu, I'm gonna wait for them to break before I get back in. Take another shot here at DMS. Got to hold the low of that candle. What time is it? So we're halfway through. Oh, here we go. Oh my God. Mogu got me. What a day. What a day. Selling that. I'm going to jump back in on that move here on Pixie. Pixie. And I'll sell it right there. Mogu trying to bounce. EMS, I'm in right there. See if that low will hold. We have to hold 216. Okay. Buying as it's trying to break out. Selling and selling and selling again. Didn't really make much. I was worried about a false breakout on that because we've tried so many times here to break through. So in hindsight, I could have held Pixie a little longer on this bounce. What a day, what a day. Oh my gosh, I was down, what, 1,400 at one point? But I wasn't sweating it. Now, I wouldn't have taken that many losses in a row if I hadn't already been up in the account. I'm up, you know, almost 5,000 in the account, so I was willing to risk it. One big red day like that would suck, but it has happened before, but it doesn't happen very often, so it's such a rarity that, you know, once in a while, I'm willing to risk it. Because I'm up $558 right now. Was really hoping to get back to green on Pixie or Mogu. But it's been a struggle. It's definitely been a battle. That is for sure. Here we go. We got a bear break, bull break coming up against the VWAP. Well, let's see if we can get a move here. This one broke out before it failed, so I wouldn't be surprised to see it do it again. We'll just see what happens here. Should I just sell it all right there? I guess I will. Making back a little bit of what I lost. See if it can get over the top of 279. And it did. I'm in one time just to see if it'll reclaim that high, and it's not going to, so I get back out right there. Just taking a tiny loss. So once again failing at that 280 level. So will DMS bounce off of 216? Well, are we going to try it again here on Mogu? Yep. Let's see if we get any kind of failure here. It's a little risky just jumping in like that, but it's an amazing accomplishment that it got over the top of these two false breakouts. And if it can hold, well, that's a pretty strong move. See what this candle does here. Any kind of pullback would be a good buy opportunity. Good entry opportunity, I should say, instead of good buy. I'm just going to go ahead and sell it there. I'm looking for any kind of, could be any kind of a fake out, you know, where it surges back down. So take the profit when I've got it. Be really careful on this one. I think buying the dips would be the way to go. What's happening over here on Pixie now? I'm going to sell some of that. Pixie has a wide spread, I'm noticing. I'm going to get back out of Pixie. Maybe I'll wish I had stayed in it, but yeah, I wish I would have. Missed a bounce over there on DMS. Yep, getting back out of Pixie. Not really a winning or losing on it, just kind of staying flat. And I'm going to get back out of Mogu. Mogu keeps getting me. I keep jumping, I keep getting out when I'm holding a position, and then it moves up. I did that over here too, somewhere over here. And then I'll get in it after the fact, and then it drops back down, and I take a loss on it. So I'm not trading it well. I probably shouldn't be trading it at all. Let's see what can happen on DMS over here. Is it a bear flag? Maybe I jumped in that too soon. Watching them. It's getting kind of late in the day here. I'm going to get back out of DMS. See if it makes its move after jumping out of it like that. VWAP play here on Mogu. I'm probably really extensively over trading here. I guess I better sell half on Mogu just to be protective. Yeah, I'll go ahead and sell the rest. So making back some of that loss. I do like this though. Okay. Buying the dip. It's just an inside bar on the 5 minute. I'm going to sell. I'm getting out as quickly as I can there. Wait for a little clarity here. There may still be some potential, but I'm just going to wait a little bit longer. There we go, DMS, buying that, getting aggressive on it. As it's moving up, I'm adding, looking for that break through to whatever that is, 226. The volume coming into it. I'm expecting a breakthrough on DMS here, so I'm holding. There's the break, and I'm selling, and I'm selling. I'm just going to go ahead and sell the rest of it right there. So, you know, only making like a couple $100 on that move up, which isn't great. Should I buy this? MOGU, trying it again. It's got to hold the low of that candle, though. Now, getting back out. So there we go, DMS failing there. That's why you sell as quick as you can on some of these. I'm just wondering if Mogu is going to give us that breakout that I've been looking for. Really has a lot of failures. It failed here, but then broke out over that failure. Then it failed here, and now you have a double top failure. A bit of a cup and handle, almost. If it pulls back a little bit, or should I buy the breakout? Tried twice to get over 290, failing both times. I really would like to see it pull back down to like 280, 285. But I could buy a breakout on it. Just hasn't worked out so well for me yet. Because honestly, I think it looks good on the 5 minute. Although the 15 minute is a little worrisome. It's got a big red candle with a long upper wick. Here comes that pullback that I wanted. I hope there's pullback coming in here. Didn't pull back. Bear flag on DMS over there. Well, see, Mogu should have pulled back right away. I'm watching it though. It's an equilibrium. You get the high, low, double top. Still call that a lower high if you want. It's not a higher high. So I'm looking for a higher low. And there's going to be a new 5-minute candle in about 20 seconds. So we may have a third inside bar before the breakout. And DMS definitely looking weaker there now. 3 seconds till that candle closes. There, I'm buying that dip right there, and I'll add if we dip a little more. Higher red volume on that 5-minute candle on Mogu. I want to see it dip a little more than that. Okay, I'll add to it right there. See if we get a bounce off of the VWAP. So that's that high, low, lower high, higher low, and there's the partial. Wish I would have had my mouse on there. I would have sold that as it broke. Okay, I'm going to sell half there. Now let's see if we get the break through the high. A little pullback here before breaking out, and I'm going to sell it right away in case it fails. Now, it looks like to me the 5-minute here is primed to break out over the highs. But this one gets so many fake outs that I don't trust it. So I'm not going to hold it for that break. I'm kind of finally zoned out. I'm finally like honed in and settled out here. It's taken me a while this morning to get my game face on, and I started out kind of like, once again, Wild West, gunslinger, just pull them out and just start shooting rounds, and that's how I was down so much to start the day. But then I kind of pulled it together and I got my game face on and just fought my way back. Just one of those days. If I add up the P&L, I have $1,862 on DMS minus $690 minus $377. So I'm up $795. I was hoping to hit that $1,000 mark today because I haven't had a good $1,000 winner yet. But I don't think I want to push my luck anymore. So this is going to be a crazy video. If I'm going to put out a short version of it, I don't think it's going to be very short because there are so many trades. But I'll do my best to get a short version out there for you. I know sometimes we just don't have time to watch these long videos. So I know I don't often have time to watch long videos. So hopefully it's helpful to you for me to put out the shorter versions. I try to do a good job at editing them to give you as much information as possible. I'm starting to work on educational videos now. I'm trying to figure out how exactly to put those together. There'll be pinpointed educational videos talking about chart patterns, technical analysis, everything stock market. It's not going to be trading. It's going to be actual learning videos. So I'm starting to work on those. It's going to be a while before I can even put those out. But they'll be free for you for now. Someday I may want to charge a premium, but for now they're free. So enjoy the channel. I hope to see you soon. I'll be back at it tomorrow morning. So up $795. I could take one more trade and go for $800. Do I really want to do that? No, I don't want to do that. I'm done. We'll talk to you later. Bye.